Let's play some Super Mario Maker 2 on my Nintendo Switch.
This is the coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system. Originated from the EAS local primary station for the Vion City area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency such as a tornado warning, toxic material release, nuclear plant incident, or other state that affects your safety, official messages were to follow the alert tone. This station serves the Vion City area. This concludes the test of this emergency alert system. All stations may now receive local programming.
What in the actual fuck? The emergency alert system just had to interrupt me in the middle of my darn game. That's just baloney. That's it. I'm going to kill the man who has the responsibility for this tomfoolery.
Dark Bowling Virtual Virus Jr. I don't know what the heck are you so angry about, but you need to shut up and quit whining like a spoiled bratty child. It really agitates me when you always complain about your stupid problems.
Dad, please. I didn't ask for your opinions right now. I'm totally angry for this dumb alert system to interrupt my fun.
When Dark Bowling Virtual Virus Jr. got to the EAS studio.
Young man, what the heck are you doing here in the studio? And why do you have a gun on in front of my face?
Oh, shut your damn pie hole and do not move a single muscle, you utter piece of garbage. For ruining my fun on the Nintendo Switch, I was thinking that a gunshot might change your mind. So, I'm gonna kill you right here, right now. There. Now that you're dead thanks to me, you can no longer make emergency alert systems to ruin my fun gameplays on the Nintendo Switch nor any other consoles I have. Enjoy being dead, you asshole.
Maybe you should think again.
Aw shit. Here we go again.
After Dark Bowling Virtual Virus Jr. got arrested.
Dark Bowling Virtual Virus Jr. Why in the world did you kill the emergency alert system reporter? You realize that it's a crime to kill someone for invalid reasons?
Because that moron just interrupted my Super Mario Maker 2 gameplay with his obnoxious emergency alert system. That's why I wanted to kill him. Just for vengeance for spoiling my gaming fun.
It doesn't mean you should kill the emergency alert system reporter. Wrongs don't make a right, and you know it. And now that you're arrested for 2 months for doing that kind of crime, you'll be grounded for the same amount of time. Now I'm going home. I will see you when you get out of jail. Bye.
Well, guess my life's about to be a bust.
Wow.